Here's a simple step-by-step guide to export your customer list as a CSV file in Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, click Customers. Apply filters if you want to export specific customers, for example by tag, location, or sign-up date. Click the Export button at the top right of the page. In the pop-up window, choose your export option. All customers, recommended, current page, selected customers, if you selected some. Select the file format, CSV for Excel, numbers, and other spreadsheet programs. This is the standard option. Click Export Customers. Shopify will email you a download link once the file is ready, usually within a few minutes for small stores, longer for very large lists. Tips: the exported CSV includes name, email, phone, orders count, total spent, tags, etc. Always check your spam folder for the email from Shopify. For very large stores, 10,000 plus customers, the export may take longer.